Hello, this is Amy Neal. I'm here to do a little tutorial for teachers that are ready to implement Google Classroom. The first thing you're going to need to do is create some classes. So you'll go to classroom.google.com, and if you're logged into your Google account or your Gmail, then you should see your email address right here. And then go ahead and click the little plus symbol. That's where you can create a class. I'm going to name my class the course that I'm teaching. And then the section would be the period that class falls on. And I click Create. This way you can tell the difference between your different classes, and students will also see that. So it's going to go ahead and take me right to the class page. And from here I can choose to change this background theme. There aren't a ton of choices, but if it was me, I would choose a different one for each course, simply to be able to keep them straight visually. It'll help the students and you. So once I've made my choice about the theme, then I'm going to go ahead and take a look at different things I can do. So I have my class, now I need students in my class. So I can click Students here. There are two ways to add students to your class. You may invite the students by putting up this code on your Blackboard or wherever else you want to display it. And then the students will click their little plus symbol and they'll put this code in to join a class. That's probably the quickest way to do it for you. Some of you may want to do it ahead of time. The other way to do that then would be to invite students. And up here, and where it says My Contacts, you're going to want to choose the directory. This will give you everybody that is in DeKalb Central's email. And so you can pick a student here. I'm going to pick my son Beckett. And then start typing his name. He should come up here. I'm going to go ahead and select him and have him join my class. So I'll invite Beckett to join my biology class. So once I've done that, then I can type in the individual students that way, and they'll get an email inviting them to come to join this class. So the next thing that I'd like to show you then is that once I've created classes, these three little lines up here, they let me toggle back and forth. It's my navigation. So I can go between my different class periods, I can go to different clubs that I have, or different classes that I have set up. I'm going to go back to my biology class, or I can go back to that home page again where it shows everybody. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my biology class again. And I'd like to show you the stream. So this would be like your news feed. This is where everything that you add to the class comes in for the students. You have two choices. You can make an announcement for the class. So this might be as simple as bring a book with you, bring your textbook tomorrow. And then I could post that. The nice thing is I can choose right here all of the classes that I want to get that announcement. So if it's 3 or 4 periods a day that I need that announcement to go to, I can just make the announcement once and then select where it goes. I can also attach anything from my computer. So if I have something in my U drive, I want them to see a document or a flyer or something, I could attach that. I could also attach things from my Google Drive. So it'll take me to my Google Drive folders and I can choose things there. I could attach a YouTube video. So simply by searching for a certain video, one I like to watch is Austin's Butterfly. So if I search for that, I know what that video is called already. Then I can go ahead and it's about critique and feedback, so I could add that. Also, if I didn't already, or if I did already know which video, I could also attach the URL here, paste that, so the students could access that video. And then the last thing is I might have a link or a website that I want them to go to, so I could paste that right there. So that's how I would do an announcement. I'm going to go ahead and cancel that. I don't really necessarily want that posted out there. The other thing I can do is an assignment. The big difference here is that with my assignment, say I make a book review, I just title it, and then I can choose a due date. This is going to look a little different from the student perspective as well. So I'm going to have this be due on the 29th. And then I could put some directions here. Write a review of the book you're reading. And then I could also do all of the same things and attach a Word document, or I can attach an Excel spreadsheet, some kind of template I've already made for the students, anything from my Google Drive, a video, or a link to go with it. Then the other difference would be if I do attach something from my computer. For example, I have, let's see, I can attach a writing prompt paper here. I have some choices when I attach this writing prompt paper. So this is a paper that students would need to fill out extra information on the paper, like a worksheet. I have some choices. They can either just view the file if I just need them to see it, say it's just directions, or I can click this and choose they can edit the file. That might be something that we all would collaboratively work on. It's a list I'm trying to brainstorm with the students. Or I can have Google Classroom make a copy for each student. This is pretty cool because say in biology you had a lab report and you had it all typed up, just the format that you wanted. If you click make a copy for each student, what's going to happen is that lab report will go into the students' Google Classroom accounts and they will have their own copy of it to edit and submit back to you. So that's pretty awesome right there. I'm going to go ahead and assign that. And then what the students will see is that they will see that assignment in there. They'll have it in their upcoming assignments, that they have something to do. They also have a separate tab over here in their navigation that says assignments. They can see all of their assignments from all their classes put together. And then what you're going to see is every time a student completes it, you're going to have this number here go up and done. And I have no students in this class, so I don't have any that are not done. But I could click right here then and see who is done and who's not done. And from here I could even grade them and return them to students. So that's a whole nother video, but I will make you a video about grading. It's pretty slick as well. As far as features of Google Classroom, those are the main ones you need to know to get started. Let me know how else I can help you. Thank you.